Hi friends, this is your sir, Zahoor sir, again after a quite long time because due to my own engagements. Today I have come with a problem, the first condition of projection of planes. That's plane is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So this is a pictorial diagram. With the help of this pictorial diagram, we'll draw the orthographic diagram here, how we can draw that. So the condition is, as you can clearly see, so these are the two principal planes. So this is my vertical plane and this is my horizontal plane. And there is one more plane, that is the plane which we have to draw, whose projections we have to draw. This plane is this time perpendicular to HP and this plane is parallel to VP. So as I said, this is the pictorial diagram. If we see the plane from the top, so what students we can see the line. It will be seen as a line in the top view. If we see it from the front view, so we can see this whole rectangle but on the VP. So if we see it from the top view, it will be seen as a line on HP. If we see it from the front view, we can see a true shape rectangle on the VP. How? Let me show you. We'll first draw the top view. So top view, we'll project these lines. We'll project this line. So this is what we can see from the top view. So if we see this point, from the top we can see only A and B. So A and B from the top. But we know from the top behind A is C. So that can be shown in brackets. So A brackets C brackets close. So same is the case here. If we see it from top, we can see only B. But we know behind B there is D. So D comes in brackets. So brackets indicate here that D is behind. So similarly, if we look at from the front, so we can see whole rectangle on the VP. So how we can see it? So let me draw the projection points. Similarly, projected points from this point. Similarly, this point. So these are the projection lines which I have drawn. Now, what I can see as I said, it can be seen as a true rectangle on the VP. So I got, when I look it from the front, so this is my A prime, this is my B prime, and this is my C prime, and this is my D prime. So this is how we got it on the pictorial diagram, but how we can draw it, its orthographic projection. As I said, so we have to rotate this plane. So this will go down in first angle projection and it will remain up. So how we can draw that? And as it rotates, the principal plane rotates about XY line. So let's start with the XY line. So we will draw an XY line. An XY line. This is my X and this is my Y. So what first we need to draw? Do we have to draw the top view or the front view first? So remember students, from the front, the rectangle is seen as a true shape. Fine. Whatever shape is true needs to be drawn first. from the true we will draw the top view. Fine. So as it will be seen as a full rectangle, so what is my, this is my A prime, this is my B prime, this is my C prime, and this is my D prime. Now what next we need to do? We need to produce these ends up to the bottom. So in top view we can see only a line. So line means a line. So when we look it from the top, we can see A prime and B prime. So this is my A prime and this is my B prime. But behind A prime is C prime. Sorry, this is not prime, sorry. This is A and this is C and this is B, not B prime, and this is D. So that is its orthographic projection in the condition first. The condition was when the plane is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So I will take the other conditions also, that is the other rest 4 conditions, then we'll go for the drawing the real questions. I hope you understood this question. If you have any queries and questions, please do feel free to write me. Thank you very much.